guys, and welcome back to Tips and Pips. And before I get started and going into the depths of where we are with gold, if you haven't done so already, please feel free to join my Telegram group where I share market research, analysis and trading entries and signals. So feel free to give that a join by scanning the QR code on your screen, or also the link is in the description of this video. Moving back onto gold, so price is currently at $1,756, and yesterday, I would consider to be a bearish candle. And as I mentioned yesterday, I wouldn't call it a hammerhead candle as such. I do believe the body of the candle is slightly too long, and the wick is not large enough for it to be a real bearish candle. However, we are up in this upper region of our RSI, which to me in the upcoming sessions we will see a reverse, and potentially this could be a start of a smaller downward trend here. But looking left, as I drew previously, we do have this key level that's been tested multiple times, and I think this will be a level, if we do push south, will be a real level to push up and test. And this is where I will be looking. If you watched my video yesterday, you would know that me and the team are in our position. We entered our position here last Thursday, where we touched our 200-day EMA, which is obviously is often a bullish or bearish signal, depending on which way you've interfaced with it. But this here also being a level of resistance looking left, this is a first fantastic opportunity. So I am bullish. I do think we can go and push back to our previous highs of 1,783, but we must be aware that we had a very large bull run. So a lot of investors who did enter back at the beginning of November, on the 4th of November, which was due to the cryptocurrency markets going a bit pear-shaped, and a lot of people decided to invest their money in raw materials. Along with this, we do know that Russia and gold are accumulating a lot of gold, and it's now been announced that the likes of the US and France are accumulating a lot of gold as well. A lot of in recessions, a lot of governments and bodies, they do stockpile raw materials such as gold and other raw materials like silver, lithium and so on. And that is something that Elon Musk has announced as well. He said that he believes that lithium and which makes electric car batteries, and all copper and other raw materials are going to be a key driving point in pushing this recession further, in regards to making more products for the consumer, so for people like us. But at the moment, as I mentioned, we are in an entry position, but if you are looking at it now, I would currently sit on the sidelines to wait for a further confirmation, or to see if we can get any other confirmation, or potentially a shorting opportunity once we hit 1,780. Looking at long term, I'm bullish on gold. Gold is an invaluable piece of metal, and we are seeing our 50 and 200-day EMA on the rise and approaching. And the last time we saw a gold cross was at the beginning of the year, back in January. So this is a fantastic investment opportunity for those interested in gold. But as I mentioned, if you're interested in any of my signals and research, feel free to join my Telegram group.